No TV. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, 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 it's coming, it's coming! I'm so excited!
What are you excited for?
We're getting a new TV! Oh, I'm so excited!
Yeah.
I wanna twerk.
Yeah, you're gonna twerk in front of your child.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Mommy, you're twerking in front of my face.
Ding dong. Oh, it's here. Oh. You can watch romantic comedy. The TV will always be right here. So I'm going to sit in this little chair right here. Okay. They make adults cry, not you. Okay, it's almost my turn to get in the shower.
I know. My teacher's bunching me up in here.
Girl. Okay. And I am
magic.
Oh, stop it, little thing.
Okay. What is this TV doing here?
It's new.
Yay. New TV.
You guys can be best buddies. Oh, Mommy, I want to get in the shower with you. Okay, you can get in the shower with me.
I'm about to get in the shower.
But this is a very small towel.
Yeah, somebody get my towel.
Girls, stop.
Here's your dress, Mommy.
Okay, girls, you guys gotta stop fighting over your mother's towel. Your mother.
She doesn't need it.
Okay, it's time for us to get in the shower. Little lady, get in the shower with me. Okay, Mommy, I'm getting in. You're about to make me trip and fall.
Oh, now, who's getting on the towel?
I don't want to be in the shower.
Now,
3 hours later. Okay, it's time for us to get out of the shower. What are you watching?
Oh, we're just watching some cartoons.
Let me guess, the C quarter.
Yeah.
You guys gotta stop watching it.
Why?
Oh, and the C quarter, we love you. Thank you.
That's from the store. I didn't get anything. All I did was look.
Oh, that's what you went to the store for?
Yeah, these kids were getting on my nerves. My head is resting.
Oh, well, put your hand up.
Okay.
7 hours later.
We're still getting here. It's been forever.
Hey, that's my line.
Oh,
Oh.
Daddy!
Okay. Your father's home and you can't run off, so. Okay. Let's get you good. So, we're gonna put you here. Close this shower door. And we're gonna rock you to a sleep. And then me and Elsa are gonna go out. Woohoo! I love going out with Elsa. Good night. good now. No, I'm not doing I'm not asleep at all. Guys, who wants to do a little bit of breaking TV? Oh, let's do that. But this is our only TV. Oh, do you think Daddy will be up? Or do you think Christoph will care when we fix it? Yeah, Mom won't care, so let's keep doing it. Okay, I'll break off this shelf and then we can do it. This is gonna be the Break that TV! 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 Yay! Broken! That's a big crack. We didn't mean to break it that far. Come on, let's get some clothes from downstairs to cover it. Hand purse, anything you can find, just get it. Instead of clothes, maybe we can put it in the shower. No, the shower because the stuff's gonna get in the shower. Now, just put it on the bed. They'll never notice. What about the TV? There's no TV. No, we need a bigger TV. Okay, there we go. Oh, my giant carry-on will work. Yeah, I think. Okay, if we get in trouble, then it's not gonna be good. We don't need to break it that far. But okay, let's just play dress up to calm us down. This is gonna be the dressing room. I wanna go first. Okay. I'm going to dress up in this shirt. Well, just say we were playing dress up, and Christoph took the back and got this one. Yeah, if it works. Yeah, probably. And if it doesn't work, we'll say Christoph got a broken TV. And his mom's going to do this. Well, your mom's going to, and my mom's going to go like this. Choice. Oh, we're not allowed to do it. So, nobody's here. We're fine. I'm ready. Yay, look. Okay, guys, let's be bad and tip over the shower. No, there's water in there. I don't care. Let's just do it. Tip it over. Tip it over. Tip it over. Tip it over. Oh, no. Not good. We just need to get Mom and Dad with it. They're going to think we cheated it. Well, it's rather to get me in trouble. We're going to get in trouble. Hey guys, tell us what we should do in part 2. Yeah. Lightning bolt production. Okay, let's go. I think we should do try to not get in trouble. Lightning bolt production. Bye guys. Hope you like this video. Tell us what we should do in part